Has this ever happened to you? You finish a painting and you think, oh, I wish I would have done that part differently. You think, there's no way I can go in and change it. Well, guess what? Today, we're going to show you how you can change anything. Watch how Tom does this.
Now look at this. This is really dry, so I have an option here. I can scrape it with a palette knife and scrape it down, or I could match a color that will bury that and no one will know the difference. Green and red make brown. And also alizarin crimson and green make gray, and everything could go on gray. So if I make a gray right here, I can put orange on it. I can put purple on it. I can put yellow on it. It depends on the color of gray. Sometimes the gray can be very warm. So my instincts are telling me right now, go to a grayish tone and then put your lighter colors on top. Because of the area, it needs to be a kind of a warm gray. So we know that if we take alizarin crimson and we put it in here, it's going to turn gray because there's white in it. Now this gray is almost turning violet on me, which is what I really want. Now what I can do is I can take some of this, but look at that gray color, guys. So now I'm adding a little more white because I can. Look at that. So now I'm going to come up, neutralize this area with gray, kind of a gray violet. So I'm just going to go around here. It looks kind of odd at first. Don't worry about it. I'll show you. Kind of take it out, paint this way, paint that way. You don't really care. Neutralize it and then fix everything. That's your job. Okay. So this is a good thing to learn, you guys. All right, so we got that on there. Now here's the rule. I want to show you something. I've scrubbed this gray in. It's a neutral color. Let me destroy the line so you don't even know where the line is, right? Your brain doesn't know where the line is anymore. Blue and orange are complementary, but this is kind of get more on the yellow side. It's not super orange. Now I take a little white, and now I just lighten it up a little bit. I should be able to lay this color on without destroying that color very much. So I'll get underneath here, and I'll just start putting this light color on top of the gray. So there's your struggle is out. I need to adjust the color. Now I'm just thickening it up a little more. Look how good that works. Look. And I can go back like this. And I even made kind of a nice, it almost looks like a purple gray already. So I don't want to go downhill here. I want to make sure I'm going horizontally. I can soften the edges a little bit. So you can't stay in one spot. That's almost impossible. Now it's not as light as I want it. But here's the good news. I am actually going to add just straight white on that and mix into it. So I want to lighten this up out here a little bit. And then I want to come in here, line it up, and put a little white on top of this. Now, do you guys see how I utilized the concept of gray, taking things away and restructuring? And you just follow this angle, then go back horizontally. The trick is to go horizontal. And then you can always come back again, you guys, with a little more texture, a little more, you know, you just have the ability. It's a little too red, but I'll just work it out in a second. I'll put more yellow in it and go right over it. I don't fear painting at all, because as long as you understand these things like I was talking about right here, you can do a lot of crazy stuff. So now I'm going to come across like this with a little bit of this brown. I'm just kind of, look how the paint breaks up for you. See that? All right, so it looks like I need to continue this. Put some in there. See? And then be very observant on all these issues that you have in the painting, because there's a lot.
If you found today's tip helpful, look in the comments below and click on the link and find out what other kinds of things we're doing at Alexander Art. We'd love to have you.